Good evening, friends. Today I am going to the second applications of the operational amplifier, that is the inverting amplifier. In the last class we have discussed about the non-inverting amplifier and we have derived the formula for the gain, that is the output voltage by input voltage. Similarly, we have given the circuit diagram for the inverting amplifier. So as this is the given voltage, that the input voltage in the AC form, it is given Vi. This is the IA input resistance, the feedback resistance, the voltage, positive voltage supply and the negative voltage supply, and V0 is the output voltage. It is given that the current is flowing from the I1 and I2 is coming here. So again, where also we have to find out the gain, that is output voltage by input voltage. Let us see how can you find out. In the last class, as I have discussed with you, that how can you find out the gain for the given circuit. So here this is gain input voltage. So let us try to find out. So first we will separate for the for the better understanding. We can separate from this line to this line as one, and from here to here another, so that it will be better to understand the concept, and we can write here like that. So first we have written here that Vi input voltage, such that we have separated, that is the Ri input resistance, the current I1 and 0 voltage, and we have written 0 voltage from the due to the virtual ground concept that we have. That I1 is equal to, we can write here Vi minus 0 by Ri. Similarly, for the another resistance, for that feedback resistance, we can find out that the like that I2 is equal to V0 minus 0 by Rf. Now apply the KCL at the point A. We have to apply the KCL at the point 1A, that is the from the KCL we know that the I1 plus I2 is equal to 0, and we can write here from the there we have derived from the Ohm's law, we have written here that Vi minus 0 by Ri plus V0 minus 0 by Rf is equal to 0. So whenever we will separate this one, Vi by Ri is equal to, when it will come this side, this is the plus, it will come here minus V0 by Rf. So we know that the gain formula, that the output voltage by input voltage, that is the A is equal to V0 by Vi is equal to minus Rf by Ri. So this is the way to find out the gain for the inverting amplifiers. Thank you.